Oh, fuck off. Fuck. Nah. They should have added the Skyrim lockpicking. Oh, fuck. We need to buy more lockpicks. Nah, man. Nah. This can't be a real thing. Oh, come on, bro. Fuck me. What am I doing wrong with this lockpicking? Why is it so hard?
Knock it up over and over until it lands slowly to the top.
Oh. Oh. Oh, you fuck. Oh, you fucking fuck.
Are we going to be watching this for 3 hours?
I hope not. Oh, nah, bro. I'm gonna fucking smash something. I'm actually gonna smash something in a minute.
Why aren't you clicking when it gets to the top?
I'm using W to move it up, okay? And then pressing space.
Bro, just use your mouse. C.
Men being men, yes.
Get good.